So I found some of these 1 kV, they're 47 nano capacitors, and they appear to fit in quite nicely. So I'm going to tag them in first for checking and see if that works. So that's 94 nano instead of 100 nano for the balance wheel, so we'll see if we get these things to work. Okay, I got it on the lamp, on the 60 watt lamp, so this roughly soldered in some capacitors, and I'm just curious if it's gonna work. Yeah, let's see if it works. I'm gonna energize the device. I've taken the mains filter capacitors off, so don't worry about that for now. That's not responding yet, so there is another issue somewhere. Could be the rectifier diode, could be faulty. The lamp glowing? No, the lamp is not glowing. I'll give it a little tap with the thing. The contacts might be still the issue. Let's check this diode here, that could be faulty. Okay. De-energize device. Okay, I've bridged the diode out to the AEG because that appears to be faulty. Maybe I'll try that, and it works. Got it going. So the AEG diode has gone. And the device is working. Fantastic. I'm not a voltage check yet, but it works. I need to tidy this up. These capacitors. I'll plug it back in. It's working fine. Fixed. I'm going to put a 5 ampere fuse in there, or maybe lower, and maybe a filter capacitor at some stage, but not for now. Time to put it all back together.
3 years in charge of the Crusaders.
We have the device. Parts to put back together. Okay, got the connector terminal back on. I've replaced these stems. I need to get some plastic screws for that, but they're all seized up. And now I'm going to put the device in there, solder that in, and put it all back together. So this is mounted with 2 clamp Solmetric M5. Spring is in. This device is working. That's for the neon. For the test, so sure, we'll get it going and we'll test it out. Koltec is working perfect. Even the neon is working. Good spark. Was also a good success story. The Koltec WBW5-s electric fence device is fixed. 2 clickers now. Koltec is working perfect. Even the neon is working. Double click is even better than a single click.
No, I should do there yet. Doing half stroke, half strawberry. Done.
Power usage is very good. It's fluctuating between about 0 and 1.6 watts. You'll talk about the charge of the battery or the capacitor. You'll talk about the charges of the capacitor. There'll be the 8 puff and the 2 puff. It goes up to about 1.6.